Let's try again.
Sorry.
Hi.
Yeah.
No worries. Hi, we are.
No, c'est moi qui fais we are.
Hi.
We are
The Nuxt brothers.
He didn't know that I was going to say that.
Yeah.
Basket. Did you get it?
Hi.
We are
The Nuxt brothers.
Woo!
We are going to be in Amsterdam for doing the next workshop, the 12th of February. We hope you are going to be there and join us to go deeper in Nuxt.
Yeah, we are going to talk about the plugins, how you can use the models, as well as how you can create one, as well as understanding Nuxt hooks and how you can use it programmatically. And then we will also see how you can improve the performances and see the best practice for making the fastest app with Nuxt.
But that's not only that. You can also talk with us, ask all the questions you got and all the issues you can meet with Nuxt. So hope to see you there, guys. And
The 12th February 2019 in